Hey guys, so the Oukitel WP27 is Oukitel's latest rugged phone, and this device is packed with interesting specifications and features. It looks a lot like the Oukitel WP17, but its specifications is a lot better. And of course, we'll be talking about its specs and features in this video. If you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So this device is designed to be more durable than standard devices, and of course it is rated IP68 and IP69K, which means it is resistant to water, dust and high pressure jets. The device is also military grade standard H10H certified. The device has a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display. The phone has a hole punch display and the aspect ratio is 20.5:9. The phone has a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth and much more responsive user experience. This device is powered by the Helio G99, which is a capable processor suitable for everyday tasks and even some gaming. The device runs on the stock version of Android 13, which means that this device would not be shipping with unnecessary bloatware and is going to be packed with the latest Android features and of course security updates. The phone has 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage for smooth multitasking and ample space for apps and media. The device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP primary sensor, followed by a 20MP night vision camera and a 2MP macro lens. Also at the camera module is 4 infrared lights and a flash, and the device has a 16MP camera for selfies and video calls. The battery capacity of this phone is 8500 mAh, which is a huge amount, guys. This battery life is guaranteed to be able to last up to 3 days or at least 2 days on a single charge, and this device is expected to support fast charging. Other features of the phone includes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock, NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, dual SIM support, GPS, etc. So these are the top features and specs of the Oukitel WP27. I currently do not know its price, but this device is expected to be sold for about $250. I'm only guessing. I don't know its official price yet. So that's it for the latest update. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates. And I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.